sad about your dull skin? Do you yearn to transform from this to this? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 6 easy steps to achieve that coveted glass skin look. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All the products we mention will be linked in the video description below, making it easy for you to find and incorporate them into your routine. Step 1. Double cleansing. Cleansing lays the groundwork for glass skin. Begin your skincare ritual with a double cleansing method to ensure thorough removal of makeup, impurities, and environmental pollutants. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to eliminate remaining impurities, leaving your skin fresh and clean without stripping its natural oils. It's crucial to cleanse gently, avoiding aggressive scrubbing or hot water that could dehydrate your skin. Instead, use circular motions to massage the cleanser into your skin, enhancing circulation and aiding lymphatic drainage, which can reduce puffiness and inflammation for a more radiant appearance. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is key for sloughing off dead skin cells to unveil a brighter, smoother skin surface. However, moderation is crucial. Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week to avoid overstimulating your skin. Chemical exfoliants such as AHAs or BHAs are preferred over physical scrubs. Physical scrubs can be harsh, potentially causing micro-tears that lead to irritation, inflammation, and an increase in breakouts. In contrast, AHAs and BHAs gently dissolve dead skin cells and clear clogged pores without inflicting physical harm, promoting a healthy, glowing complexion without the risk of damage. Step 3. Hydration. Hydration is the cornerstone of achieving the coveted glass skin look. To maximize hydration, it's essential to use a toner and essence in tandem. The toner serves to refine skin texture, leaving it smooth and soft, while also preparing it to absorb the subsequent essence more effectively. This duo ensures your skin receives the ultimate hydration and nourishment. The essence not only brightens and evens out your complexion, but also offers anti-aging benefits. Depending on your specific skin type and concerns, you might consider adding face masks or serums to your routine. Serums, with their lightweight yet potent formulations, penetrate deeply to deliver active ingredients, targeting issues like hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Ingredients such as vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide are key for brightening, plumping, and hydrating the skin, contributing significantly to the glass skin effect. Face masks provide an extra boost of hydration and nourishment. Particularly in Korean skincare, sheet masks are a favorite, often enriched with soothing and rejuvenating ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and snail mucin. Step 4. Moisturizer. Moisturizing plays a pivotal role in attaining the glass skin effect, ensuring your skin remains hydrated, plump, and smooth. Dry skin can lead to a texture that is anything but the desired smooth and luminous glass skin look. For optimal results, apply your moisturizer with gentle upward strokes, focusing on areas that tend to be drier. Opt for a moisturizer that's lightweight and non-greasy formula to avoid clogging your pores. Ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides are key for locking in moisture and maintaining that dewy glow. Step 5. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause damage and premature aging. In addition, excessive sun exposure can also lead to dark spots and uneven skin tone, which can detract from the overall glass skin look. Therefore, it is recommended to apply sunscreen as the last step in your morning skincare routine before going outside. Lastly, Step 6. Healthy lifestyle. It's essential to recognize that skincare, while crucial for attaining the glass skin effect, is only part of the equation. Equally important are healthy lifestyle choices such as staying well hydrated, ensuring adequate rest, and consuming a balanced diet. These habits are key to nurturing your glow from within, complementing your skincare routine to achieve the ultimate radiance. In conclusion, consistency is key on your journey to achieving glass skin. Stay committed to your skincare regimen, practice patience, and watch your radiant complexion blossom over time. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing. Until next time, here's to glowing, radiant skin.